Hey y'all, so I'm making that viral grinder, the one that's on TikTok. This is it before I put my garlic butter on top. Put it back in the oven for like 1 minute so it can look pretty on top. And I'm about to crush y'all. Give me a minute. Alright y'all, so I'm back. This is my grinder. I'll put the link in here so y'all know how to make it. But it's that viral TikTok grinder, y'all. Always wanted to try it. So, here we go. Put a little oil. I toast my bread, y'all. I can't do soggy bread. I also gutted out the middle of this French bread because you don't need a lot. Mmm, this is so good. Mmm, I know I can eat all of it. I don't even know why. But it's so good. I have turkey, honey ham, salami, and pepperoni. Bang, y'all. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. It's a must try, y'all. Mm. So how y'all day going today? I went and had my second follow-up for my mammogram. They told me all was good, but I still got to go back in 6 months just to make sure everything's still straight. Which is a little worrisome because it's normally a year, but they saying 6 months. So be it. On this, I use Swiss, provolone, and pepper jack cheese. My sandwich not soggy or none of that. Mm. Now, you know y'all could, for those who don't like carbs, you can make the same shit on some lettuce. Y'all done seen my lettuce wraps. Same thing. Or a low carb flatbread. Man. Mm. Make a nice little wrap. I'm far from eating all this, y'all. I know I ain't gonna be able to do it. But this, it's good. Thank you, TikTok. Hmm. I got everything that I used in here, y'all. I'm gonna try to put a link underneath so y'all can see it. Make their own, but this is excellent. I don't know where that juice coming from. I tried not to make no juice come out of it. I don't like no soggy bread. That's why I toasted it before I put the garlic butter on it. Mm. Mm. Y'all, I'm at 5 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and get on off here. I love y'all. Marsha Cooks. Deuces.